In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free blog using Systeme.io in just 5 minutes. Whether you're an aspiring writer, a business owner, or someone simply looking to share your passions with the world, launching a blog is a fantastic way to get your voice out there. With Systeme.io, the process is straightforward and, most importantly, it's free. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Systeme.io and press Enter. When you arrive at the Systeme.io homepage, you'll see several options. If you're not already a user, now is the time to sign up. You simply need to provide some basic information like your email address and a password. Once you've completed this, you'll be able to access your very own Systeme.io dashboard. When you enter the dashboard, look for the Sites tab. It's located in the main menu on the left-hand side. Once you're there, click on Blogs. This is where the magic happens. To start a new blog, find the Create button. This will prompt you to fill in a few details. You'll need to give your blog a name and select a URL path that suits your blog's theme or purpose. This is an important step because the name and URL path will be part of your blog's online identity. Next up, you'll need to select a blog template. Systeme.io offers several sleek and professional options, so take your time to browse through them and choose the one that best fits the style and essence of your content. Templates are a helpful tool because they streamline the setup process, saving you time and effort in designing from scratch. Once you've decided on a template, simply click Save to officially create your new blog. Now that your blog has been created, you'll want to customize its appearance to reflect your brand or personal style. From the blog dashboard, click on Blog Layout. This is where you can modify elements such as the header and footer. Adding your logo, social media links, and any other relevant information here will help unify your blog's appearance and make it feel more complete. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a free blog using Systeme.io. It's really that simple. Customize it to reflect your unique voice, and you'll be ready to start blogging in no time. Remember, blogging is not only about sharing your thoughts, but also engaging with your audience, so keep your content interesting and interactive. Thanks for joining me today, and happy blogging!